What is up? Haven't made too many videos lately, but here's what I've been up to. Sorry for that weird drum beat. I don't know where that's coming from. So anyway, I decided to make some ramps that are hinging on the back of my trailer instead of those old ones that were bending on me. Let me insert this little clip here. These are the ramps I've been using. Now I got them laid this way where you see the curve going this way, but actually I extended them out of some other ramps I had. This is how they've been working. So it's actually concave that way, and it's been getting worse and worse. But hey, I've been driving the Can-Am up on these for like, what's it been, almost 3 years or something now. So they worked. You know, something I've extended really quickly just with some scrap unistrut. That did the trick. But these will be so much better, so much nicer. These are a little overkill, but I already had this, what you want to call that, metal. It's kind of like for grates. I'll show you what the grates look like before I cut them up. Been using this one here over the fire pit back here, but this is what it was. I had 3 of these. This is the last one that's not cut up, so I just cut the other 2 into the 2 strips to make each ramp. So this is kind of material right there. So with them going this way and then trapped in that frame, I don't think it's gonna have any difficulty supporting the weight. I already had that stuff, so I just went and bought some like 1.5" angle by 1/8 inch, and I just made the frames for it, and then cut those grates I had. They were like square grates, so I just cut them in little strips and laid them in, and you can see those are like 1.25 inches or something. They're pretty deep, maybe an inch. Just got them laying in there and then just secured like that. And then I got these big black hinges right here. So I've been playing my hand at the TIG welder, so it should work. Not too bad. Welded the hell out of it, so I don't think it's going anywhere. And I just got this in here. And what I did was I did it so where I can weld it all up and then put it on. And then so the it wouldn't vibrate off, then I kind of welded this nut here and just torqued in this bolt right here, and it kind of just keeps it from coming off. Anyway, it's time to fix up this trailer a little bit. The lights are all smashed. That one got smashed when somebody hit me over at Quick Trip, and I was in a hurry, so I didn't make them pay for it or anything, just left it. And then I hooked this on that Goodman unit over there. So I just put a piece of red tape over the bulb, man. But I was thinking of moving those LEDs right here, but brother-in-law said having these right here is what gives you a little marker at night so you can see the width of your trailer. So besides the ones that are up there anyway, but so maybe I'll just fix that with the, keep those there. Anyway, that's what I've been up to, messing around with the cheap titanium TIG welder from Harbor Freight. I did go and get a larger tungsten tip than I had. I got the 1/8 inch one now, which made welding this larger stuff a lot more. This goes up to 200 amps, so the highest I've had it so far is 150. Seems to be more than enough. So it's the next day. Welding up the hinges. That one's done yesterday. Got that one just tacked on there. Tacked these on, made sure it fit, and then I cooked them up. These suckers right here, man, have some, like, I don't know what the hell it is, but it's not just, it doesn't look like regular black spray paint, but it's like thick. I mean, like thick black. They put it over every surface, including what I had to grind down to make my welds. Anyway, this sucker got good penetration. Took a lot to cool it down, so I don't think it's gonna have any issues. Preparing to lay the final weld down there. It's getting so hot that you can smell the wood burning on the trailer. Yeah. Well, so far, kind of like that welder. It doesn't have all the settings that you have on the high-end ones. But it's pretty much just controls based on the foot pedal, and that it for the max amps that you set the dial to. But it's kind of working. So got this cooked in real nice. Trailer, got the nut here. Put this bolt in there when I'm done. Loctite it pretty much. Like I said, that's what keeps this from coming off, because I did it to where I can put them on and take them off. I just went in my junk drawer looking for some Loctite, but no. Flange sealant, thread sealant, lube. We do have leak lock, Ultra Blue RTV. Actually, I might keep it from spinning out. And then some JB weld. Well, there it be. Yeah, these aren't sagging at all. The other ones sagged a lot. Made them plenty wide too. Kind of how it's done. Like I said, I torqued this in there. I actually used the leak lock. And that just keeps these from coming off. And if I need to take them off, I just need a 9/16 wrench. I don't think those welds are going anywhere. Freaking massive. Put in the upright position. For now, I just kind of got these little pins I already had. This is pretty stiff right here, so it's not going to come off, I don't think. I can't move any further than that. But I will probably put something else on there for backup when I drive in. I was worried they were going to rattle, but they doesn't really rattle. That's good. It is good. Something I should probably do in the future is get some of those kits that you bolt through the floor here, and then you put the straps that go over the tires. Need to get some of those eventually. This thing with the straps I put on there, it ain't going anywhere, but if you got kind of an accident or something, or really like hopped off the road or something, this thing could potentially go up and over the front of this. So I gotta do something about that. So just finished that, went upstairs, and it's warm upstairs. So I just bumped the air on. I haven't really used the air, the cooling part of this. Let's see. Outside air tent. Oh, look at mine. Ooh, those fans should be running. Why are my fans not running? Something's not right. Oh, there they go. I thought this thing was going to be hitting. Kind of overshot a little bit. I can program that a little bit.